have a terrific recipe for you. It's my creamy baked mac and cheese, and it is ready for the holidays. I will have all of your ingredients listed below, so let's get started. So first you want to start out with seasoning your water. It is very important to add salt to your boiling water when you're serving or boiling pasta. Sometimes people use chicken bouillon as well, but I don't. I just use salt. Anyways, next you want to shred your cheese. Now I know some of you don't want to shred your cheese, and I get it, but it's so worth it. Shred your cheese. If not, use packaged cheese, but I say shred your cheese. Next, you're gonna make a wonderful roux. That's what we're starting out with. So I have melted down some butter. I have added in the flour, and I am cooking it down to get rid of the flour taste. Now you guys know I speeded up this video, so don't think I'm cooking this daggone fast. Do not put your heat on high when you're making this. Do it on a low temperature. Next, I'm just adding in a little bit of milk at a time, and I want to keep whisking this because you want it to be smooth. This is a start of a roux, so you definitely want it to be a smooth base, okay? So just whisk and whisk and whisk until you get it all nice and smooth. And then next, I'm going to season this with a little bit of salt, pepper, a little bit of granulated garlic, and then I'm gonna add in all of my cheeses as well. I also added in a little bit of fresh nutmeg. It's not enough that you would even taste it, but I do put a little bit in there. And that's what you see right here. So you guys, if you have not hit the thumbs up button, I need you to smash that button right now. Give your girl some credit and give her some props, okay? Because this is a really delicious macaroni and cheese. My daughter loves creamy macaroni and cheese. So this is the one that I make for her, and I even put it in the oven. Anyway, next I'm adding in all of the cheese, and I'm stirring all of this up. It's gonna be thick, you guys. Don't worry, because once you add your pasta and you add the little bit of either the egg mixture or just the heavy whipping cream mixture to the top, when we get ready to bake it, it will thin out some. But anyway, this is me stirring in the macaroni. You know, after it cooks, you want to drain it and get off all the water, and then add it to your pasta. Don't add it straight from the pan in there because it's gonna add too much moisture, too much water. You do wanna strain off that water. I just wanna make sure I say that to you guys. So now I'm using some butter to grease or, you know, rub all over the inside of the baking dish. And I'm going to transfer all of that yummy macaroni and cheese mixture to, look how thick that is, you guys. Oh my God, to this baking dish. Now, I do like to make mine pretty. You guys, you know me. So I'm going to add some more cheese to the top of this. And I'm also doing that egg mixture that I was telling you about. And I'm just taking my fork and I'm just making little pockets for this milk and egg mixture to fold into. But if you don't want to use the eggs, just use the milk. It's not necessary that you need to do that. Next, I'm topping it with a little bit of black pepper and some smoked paprika. That's my favorite, is smoked paprika, but you can use regular paprika as well. I'm going to bake this in the oven at 350 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes when it gets all bubbly and beautiful like it is here. Because guess what? You guys didn't wait for absolutely nothing as always. Isn't this gorgeous? And it tastes just as good. Look at that. Thank you for watching, and enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Don't forget to click thumbs up and subscribe so that you can get all of my new videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.